Hey, Dustin Glover here. I just wanted to give you a quick story. If you got any friends telling you that you can't fuck a farm animal, don't listen to them, because a sheep got that best goddamn pussy I ever had in my life. I fuck sheep every damn day. I left my wife because she got mad at me for fucking a sheep. I tell you what,
My wife left my sister.
my buddy right here, he be fucking sheeps too. Yeah, he did fuck his first sheep last night. Oh man, you should have seen him. He put his pecker inside that sheep's butthole. Oh man, we gotta wash that sheep's fur today.